So yeah, it's getting pretty close now. Local news station, as you can see, is live because there's a tornado warning just west of here. There are some storms that are approaching, so probably within a few minutes we'll get some heavy rain, lightning, and some hail. Already been hearing thunder for the past maybe 15 minutes or so. That one's pretty close. Hear a pretty good rumble right now. So yeah, this is about to hit. Pretty much imminently it's gonna hit. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head inside here momentarily, just before this actually gets here, and I will leave my GoPro to film it. So yeah, that's what's happening.